Pom Tunes. Please subscribe, share and like.
Safety rules keep us safe. We must follow safety rules because these rules keep us safe from any harm or danger. Safety rules should be followed everywhere. Let's learn about them. Let's learn about the safety rules while we are at home. Always keep the door closed. Avoid opening doors for strangers. Before opening the door, always see the visitors through the door hole. Stay away from the dangerous items like matchbox, any other sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, electric wires, and fire. If you play with any sharp object, you might get hurt. Never go near fire, you might get burned. Never touch electrical equipments or switches with the wet hands. It may give you an electric shock. Never touch any hot pan in the kitchen. You might get burned. Never start gas stove by your own. Be careful while you are on the terrace or balcony. Never take any medicines without asking to your parents. Keep your toys and other items in its place. You may fall and might get hurt. Now let's learn about the safety rules at school. Always follow school rules. Do not stand or jump on the bench. Never harm or destroy any school property. Do not carry any harmful or sharp items to the school. Do not run in the corridors, classrooms, and stairways. Always walk in a queue and never push each other. Do not fight with each other. Always inform class teacher about any fighting or injuries. Always keep school building neat and clean. Always reach to the bus stop before the bus timings. Do not rush to get into the school bus. Stand in a queue and wait for your turn. Always listen to transportation staff and follow the rules. Always stay seated while the bus is moving. Do not keep any body part outside the bus while it is moving. Now let's learn about the safety rules while you are on the road. Never run or play on the road. Always walk on the footpath. Follow the traffic signals. Red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Always use zebra crossing to cross the road. Before crossing the road, stop and wait, and then look on the left and right side. Wait for all the vehicles to pass and then cross the road. Do not talk to strangers and never eat anything given by them. Always follow these safety rules and take care of yourself.
Pom Pom Tunes. Please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for watching.